Let's look at as-built measuring and why it matters. As-built measuring is needed when the city has no original drawings of your home or business, or if there has been significant changes since the last building permit set of drawings. A significant change is anything that's hard to mark on an existing set of drawings. We use a LiDAR scanner that takes 360-degree photos and scans the rooms. This method is efficient, reducing what used to take me 8 hours to do down just to 3. It also minimizes human error. Please note, as-built measuring is different from a land survey. While we focus on the interior of the building, a certified land surveyor handles the exterior. The surveyor will measure the property's boundaries, grades, and in case of a renovation, the exact location of the house in relation to the lot. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions specific to your project or want to learn more about our process, feel free to reach out by phone, email, or send us a text to the number on the screen. I hope this video has cleared up any uncertainties you have about getting started with a building permit. This was your host, Edward Vega.